A Chinese-Canadian businessman says his safety was put at risk during an investigation by Canadian securities regulators who shared information with police in China. That alleged cooperation is now at the center of a lawsuit. CTV's Judy Trin has the exclusive details.
Edward Gong produced shows on his own Toronto TV channel. He bought several hotels and rubbed shoulders with political leaders. Gong says he came to Canada to pursue his dreams. After he became a Canadian citizen in 2008, he made hundreds of millions of dollars manufacturing health supplements and selling them to customers in China. Gong insists he always followed Canadian laws. But in 2016, the Ontario Securities Commission and the RCMP began investigating him for fraud after China accused him of running a pyramid scheme.
What we need to understand in relation to the Chinese context is that everything is legal in China until China decides that it's not legal.
The Crown dropped criminal charges against Gong, but in 2021, his company pleaded guilty to offenses related to a pyramid scheme and forged documents. His company was fined $1 million and forfeited $15 million in assets. But in a recently filed lawsuit, Gong's lawyer says the OSC violated the rights of his client, a naturalized Canadian.
You will not be treated the same. Your passport will not be the same passport as everybody else's, and you will not be protected in this country. The dictatorship follows you.
In more than 1,500 pages of disclosure, Gong's legal team argues the OSC used tainted evidence collected by Chinese police. Some of the suspects in China say they confessed after being extorted and threatened by officers. Security experts say evidence from Chinese authorities shouldn't be taken at face value.
Whether it be the use of coercion, threats, intimidation, possibly even torture, could be used, and it's well documented in different human rights groups.
The OSC agreed to share information with the Chinese government. The collaboration is alleged to have been unabated, unregulated, and unlimited in scope and use. Emails also reveal at one point the OSC alerted Chinese police that Gong may be in China. He wasn't, but that could have put the businessman at risk of being disappeared. The OSC also facilitated a visit by Chinese investigators. One officer showed up at Gong's office. Gong says the experience has left him fearful the Chinese government is watching his every move in Canada. The Ontario Securities Commission will not comment on matters before the court. It has yet to file a statement of defense. Omar.
All right, Judy, thank you.